Hello, it's another Friday. Again, I'm in red. These are Red Fridays here at low VA rates, remembering everyone deployed. Now, next week, you'll probably see me in something other than red because I will be filming and hanging out with you guys on Thursday. Today, we're talking about all of the mail that you guys get, our fine men and women of the military, active, retired, veterans. If you've got VA home loan benefits, then don't know if that worked, but you've seen a lot of mail like this, and it's probably just filling up your inbox or your mailbox. VA rate reduction notice. I don't know if you see that there, but VA rate reduction notice. You're getting all sorts of stuff in the mail all the time. We're going to talk about that today. Now, we aren't innocent necessarily. We're also sending you plenty of offers into your mailbox. And you'll see here now, as you guys know from past videos, I'm not the best at art. So you can see here probably, that's where I inserted my artwork, VA refinance. Now look, we know you're getting all sorts of offers in the mail. That's what the mailbox is for. Credit cards, clothes, travel, you name it, it's in your mailbox. But there's also this little segment dedicated to refinancing your VA mortgage. So let's talk about number one. How do we know, or how do our competitors know, how do VA lenders know, okay, that you even have a VA loan? We get that question all the time. People will call us up. Sometimes they're agitated. Most of the time they're just interested in what we have to offer. But one of the first questions they ask us, how did you even know I have a VA mortgage? Well, it's public record. Okay, when you bought your home or the last time you refinanced, there's something called a deed of trust. Some states don't have a deed of trust that's a mortgage, but there's a public document. There's a document that becomes public record when you close on your mortgage. That deed of trust doesn't tell us your interest rate. It doesn't tell us all sorts of personal stuff about you, but we do know if you have a VA mortgage, because there's a certain aspect of that deed of trust that indicates whether it's VA, FHA, Fannie, Freddie, and that becomes public record. And we gather that information, as do many other lending institutions, and we make certain conclusions about the date of that deed of trust and what interest rates were doing around the time that you got your mortgage, and we can determine whether or not we think it's a good time for you to refinance. Now, all of our flyers, all of my competitors' flyers, we're all offering you ultimately similar experiences. And that is lower your interest rate, save money, put more money in your pocket and not the bank's. Now, of course, I think that the flyers or the mail pieces, the offers that low VA rates are sending to you are certainly much better than our competition, right? Speaking of the competition, there's a certain big bank out there by the name of Quicken Loans, great company. They believe they've invented something called the Rocket Mortgage. Well, I'm here to tell you today, okay, we've had Rocket Mortgages in our office well before anybody else. Back to the point. You get this mailer, and we're trying to get you to do something. What is it that we're trying to get you to do? We want you to call us. Give us a call, because we can only put so much on the flyer. And keep in mind, we put the most important, most intriguing information on the flyer, but there's probably questions you have. Is this too good to be true? Is what too good to be true? Well, our flyers right now, many of them, are offering a 1.75% interest rate. The APR is a bit higher than that. We disclose our APR on each of our flyers. Today, it's probably right around the 2 range. Nonetheless, that's an extremely low interest rate. That's enough to get people intrigued. Read the other information on there. We try to indicate to you how low we can make your payment go, what you can do with doing some energy improvements to your home with the EEM loan, possibly getting some cash out of your home, consolidating debt. But to get all that information, you got to pick up the phone and you have to call us, okay? The number should be on the screen or attached to this video somewhere. If not, feel free to go to our website, lowvarates.com, and you can contact us a handful of different ways through that website. So again, not a whole lot more to add today other than throw out all the flyers that you get other than the ones that say low VA rates. I promise you can't go wrong if you do that, because we believe we are the best VA lender in the nation. And when you call us, we'll explain to you why that is and let you make the decision for yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your service. Look forward to helping you with your next VA mortgage refinance or purchase or whatever loan needs you have. Thank you.